Unfortunately, in today's age, we face a major environmental crisis that affects our planet and every species that lives on it. This image here shows the harsh reality of the situation. A polar bear and its cub living in a box because there is nowhere else to go. The text reads, "Global warming is leaving many homeless." I believe that pathos is used in this instance to make the viewer feel heartbroken and upset about the visual text. The viewer will see the bear, see the struggle and the text, and immediately think about the people who are homeless. They will then realize that animals are becoming homeless as well due to this environmental crisis. The author is trying to connect with the many people around the world that love all animals and life. This strategy used by the author is very effective because the image appeals to a large group of people. I assume that the author hopes that these people will see his image and all the other images showing the environment struggling and decide to take action. The author's argument is further backed up using logos. In a study conducted by the National Space Science and Technology Center at the University of Alabama, Huntsville, they report that the average temperature of the lower troposphere has increased by 0.6 degrees Fahrenheit between the 1980s and the 2000s. This fact, along with hundreds of others that are reported by scientists every year, only strengthen the author's argument even more. Of course, there are always two sides about this topic. Some people believe that climate change is not happening. I believe that the author is asking those people to look at these images and the facts and try not to feel sorry for the suffering of the animals right now and for the human race in the future. However, if you don't agree with these images or texts, here's Bill Nye the Science Guy to back up climate change even more.
Climate change is a real and serious issue. But isn't the climate always changing? What exactly is climate change and why should we care? Well, the Earth's climate has changed throughout history. Most of these slight changes are caused by small variations in the Earth's orbit. But climate change as we know it today is characterized by an abrupt increase in the Earth's temperature. It is estimated to have gotten 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit warmer in just the last century. 10 out of the last 13 years were the warmest on record. 97% of climate scientists agree that this new tendency is not caused by the variations of the Earth's orbit, but rather very likely caused by human activities.